What's going on, you guys? It's George. Welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be an extraordinary video. Something that I actually wanted to put out during the month of Pride, just because I know there's a lot of little boys out there that want to play with dolls, but you know, they don't have the circumstance where they can. Hence, why I'm a grown man buying Barbie dolls.
Hey, everybody, look at Raquel.
I'm going to unbox 2 Barbies that I've wanted since I was a kid, and I also have 2 that are already unboxed in my collection I'll share with you in just a bit. I was one of those kids that grew up with 2 sisters and a mom and a dad that just like worked 24/7. So I was with women all the time. And aside from having like my own toys like Legos and action figures and, you know, some video games here and there, I really enjoyed playing with dolls with my sisters. There's nothing more I can say other than I have a great imagination, and I did not want it to go to waste by just playing with baseball cards. No ma'am, not me, not I. So I played with dolls when I was a kid. It was frowned upon. It wasn't really accepted within my family. It wasn't something that I was even, you know, okay with myself, because, you know, little boys back in the day did not play with dolls. And now I feel like it's such a gender fluid type of toy, and I love that so much. So with that being said, we're gonna box these today. We're gonna hang out, we're gonna have fun. We're gonna talk a little bit about society and stuff like that. So grab yourself a snack, perhaps a monster, and keep on watching.
We're going to do this video, and we're going to do it right.
This video is taking a bit of courage, I must say. I never thought I would get in front of a camera and unbox some Barbies, but hey, here we are. How are ya? I'm super pumped about this because these 2 are basically dolls that I've wanted since I was a kid. Now, I'm not gonna be sitting here like playing with them or anything like that. Like, that's not the goal of why I'm collecting these. They are just kind of like a keepsake, a throwback, something that like now as a grown-up, I'm comfortable and confident enough to add to my collection. I have tons of Funko Pops and just like little odds and ends of things like that that I do collect. So these are just something that's gonna bring me happiness because I wanted when I was a kid and it wasn't, you know, okay. I don't know about you, but I grew up in a small town. So here in Scranton, Pennsylvania, we don't have a large gay community. So as far as like parents and individuals being introduced to that type of community and environment and the culture of it all, there was definitely not a lot of that back in the day. Now there's a decent amount, I must say. Still, you know, it is a small town, so we have a lot of conservative people, but we make the best out of it. So this doll in this box right here, guys, this is a queen. This is a queen and a half. And I actually won this in an auction, and I paid a pretty penny for it, but it looked like it was in mint condition. And there she is. Can you take a guess just by looking at that right there? Who do you think this is? 1, 2, 3. Mandy Moore. We got a Mandy Moore doll. And actually, this box is not in as good a condition as it looked online. And my sister actually had a similar doll to this, and I remember they made her face very creepy, which you'll see in just a moment. Hopefully the shininess of the lights here are not gonna take away too much of this, but holy crap, the box is literally destroyed. I mean, it's existing, so it's cool, but there she is, Mandy Moore. We have some tattoos right there. This is an outfit from Candy. There's a ticket in there. Looks like somebody put a ticket from their Mandy Moore show. They went to go see her in concert. That's actually really cool. It's like a little magazine. This is the classic Mandy outfit. Oh my goodness. This is so freaking cool. Meet Mandy Moore. At age 16, Mandy's on a whirlwind climb to the top of the pop charts. I don't know why she ever stopped creating pop music, because Candy is literally one of my favorite pop songs of all time. It is iconic and timeless. So see, guys, take a gander. Take a look at this face. That reminds me of those creatures Sorry, Mandy, you're beautiful and I love you, but this doll does not do you justice. You do, on the other hand, have the beauty mark, like I do. Love that. But the way that they made her face as this doll reminds me of the creatures from the movie The Time Machine. It looks a little bit like that. I don't know what it is, but it's giving me that vibe. It's a play along item. So this isn't actually Barbie Mattel. This is Play Along, which I believe produced a lot of different like celebrity Barbies back in the day. So love it. Next, I'm gonna share with you one that I already do have opened, but this is my favorite. I need to break the ice with this one right now because this is Miss Britney Spears from the Baby One More Time tour that was sponsored by no other than Tommy Hilfiger. My favorite brand of all time sponsored my favorite artist. So I had to get this. And the reason why this was so important to me is because this jean overall outfit is actually a Tommy Hilfiger one. No, it doesn't say Tommy right there, but this was an outfit that she wore on tour. She's actually wearing it like in this picture on the side of the box. But this is Britney Spears live in concert. This box is in incredible condition and I'm super happy that I have this in my collection. I actually did a whole like little dedicated video on this simply because it is a Tommy relic and I freaking love it, but I needed this because of the Tommy relation there, but also because it's Britney Spears and my sister had like Britney Spears dolls I lived for. I remember like shopping with my sister at Toys R Us back in the day. Toys R Us was like, do you ever see that episode of the Rugrats where they're shopping at the toy store? It was like Toy Kingdom or something, Toy Castle, I don't freaking know. But they're shopping in this like huge, humongous toy store. And that's how Toys R Us was for like us millennials back in the day. Yeah, anyway, I would always be like, Leslie, like, we want that one right there. Tell Mom we want that one. And she'd be like, okay. So we would literally pick out Barbies together, me and my little sister. Trust me when I say, like, I still play with my Legos. I was obsessed with building back in the day. So like, I was just a very creative and imaginative kid. Like, I loved playing with Legos and building houses and towns and skyscrapers. And then I loved playing with dolls and pretending, you know, I was a little socialite and all that fun stuff. So this is my all-time favorite right here. Let's get the next box open because this one is something that I literally have been wanting since like 1995. I don't freaking know, but I wanted this for a very long time. And I don't know anyone that had this. I've never actually seen this doll in person, but I have, on the other hand, seen tons of pictures and auctions and this on eBay for years. The only thing is it's usually very expensive, but I don't know how it happened, but I won this in an auction for a fairly decent price. This is very boxed up right here, so bear with me. Oh my God. Do we see her? Miss Rose Dawson. This is a Titanic Barbie, Rose Barbie. I'm shook. I'm quaking right now. This is insane. Okay, so the box, unfortunately, still looks a little mangy, but you know, what are you gonna do? I guess you can't win them all. It says here, Titanic Motion Picture Collection Doll, Rose 𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬 classic film, guys. It's #1 film. I don't know how Avatar is #1 on the charts because, in my opinion, Titanic is the #1 movie of all time. But I know this has like a lip right here to open. Let's take a look. Oh, there she is. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. So it's actually like a silhouette of the Titanic in the background, which I'm living for. If you didn't know this, Titanic is literally a passion of mine. I'm obsessed with the romance, the history, the devastation, the architecture. This is a beautiful freaking damn doll. Like, the detail in this outfit, holy crap. It is exquisite. Like, that is insane. So you have like a little story here. 14th Academy Award nominations in 1997, winner of 11. Oh, so I guess, yeah, Titanic won all those awards. Certificate of Authenticity. This is to certify that 𝗏𝗏𝗏 is a limited production doll available exclusively through Galoob Toys Inc. Not familiar with who that is, but so cool, so cool. So technically, like, these are the collector dolls. These aren't just, you know, Mattel little Barbie dolls here and there. This is a legit collector's item. So even somebody that is just a lover of the Titanic would probably have this in their collection. So I'm super pumped. It's in decent condition. I'm, you know, not the best, but it's still pretty good. We have a little story here to capture Miss Rose Dawson, and it is insane. And looks like this is actually hand beaded. The dress is hand beaded. So this is insane. We got one more doll here, and this one is kind of like the chintziest one that I have because it's the most recent. It is a Barbie, but it is a Jurassic Park Barbie. This is Claire from Jurassic World, and you know, there she is living her best life. She has her boots on. I think this is actually from Fallen Kingdom. It doesn't say Fallen Kingdom on here, but she's not wearing those heels that she was iconically wearing in the Jurassic World movie. So I don't know, I could be wrong, but she's wearing boots. They're made for walking, they're made for hiding from dinosaurs, they're made for, you know, all the above. But this is out in 2017, Mattel, Barbie. The box is in amazing condition, and I surprisingly actually got this at a Goodwill for $5. So when I seen this, I was like, this would be perfect for a Barbie type video that I want to do. And Jurassic, the whole franchise, is like one of my favorite movies ever as well. So that's why this was a necessity. But we got little Miss Red, little 𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗍 here. And now I have 4 Barbie dolls as a grown man. How you doing? All right, you guys, I'm gonna wrap up this video. Thank you so much for hanging along with me during this extraordinary haul, unboxing, Barbie experience. I know that I was saying before that, you know, times luckily are changing, but you know, if you are growing up in an area that, you know, you feel like you can't be yourself, just know that one day you can, and don't let anything hold you back. You know, whether, you know, you have a family that is closed-minded or just your area is very uneducated in the LGBTQ+ department, but as you get older, you could express yourself a lot more and have fun with the things that bring you joy. So just look forward to that, and I have faith that things will get better. But thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. I would love your company. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. That will keep you notified when I upload a new video, and it's super important to do that. Also, my personal Instagram is right here at 𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗏 if you want to follow me there as well. Until next time, as always, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.